Tired of relying on text chat in frantic multiplayer battles? Let's unlock crystal clear voice communication on your Nintendo Switch. First, compatibility is key. The Nintendo Switch itself has a 35mm headphone jack. If your headset mic uses a single 35mm jack for both audio and microphone, you're good to go. Most gaming headsets work perfectly if your headset has separate jacks for audio and mic. You'll need a splitter adapter, a small cable that combines the two into one. Now, plug your headset into the headphone jack on the top of your Nintendo Switch console or directly into the Joy-Con if you're playing handheld. Ensure the connection is secure. Next, voice chat within games depends entirely on game support. Games like Splatoon 3 offer inbuilt voice chat features. Check the game settings menu. You are going to look for audio or voice chat settings. Enable voice chat there. And usually you have the option to adjust microphone volume. Ensure your microphone is not muted within the game settings and that the volume is appropriately adjusted. For games lacking native voice chat, the Nintendo Switch online app on your smartphone is your go-to. Download and open the app, then log in with your Nintendo account. When playing a compatible game, usually one featuring online multiplayer, select the game within the app to create or join a voice chat lobby with your friends. Make sure your headset is connected to your phone. Discord or other party chat services are also an option. Finally, remember to check your microphone level settings on your Switch and test your voice before jumping into a serious match with these steps. May your voice guide to victory.